Hi, good evening everybody. Today I'm going to tell you the difference between Bahasa Malaysia and Bahasa Indonesia, that is Malay language and Indonesian language. Actually, Bahasa Malaysia and Bahasa Indonesia are quite the same, but because Malaysia was ruled by the British and Indonesia was ruled by the Dutch, so English language has a great influence on Bahasa Malaysia, while the Dutch language has an immense influence on Bahasa Indonesia. In Malaysia, many loan words are from English, while in Indonesia, many borrowed words are from Dutch. I went to Jakarta. I found that my Bahasa Malaysia or Malay language was not understood by the Indonesian. I took a taxi. The taxi driver said, "Hari ini macet." Macet? What is macet? Later I know that macet means traffic jam. But in Malaysia we don't say macet, we say kesesakan lalu lintas. Then I went to a shopping complex for food. Later I looked for a toilet. I asked the people there, "Di manakah tandas?" Again, tandas was not understood, because in Indonesia they don't say tandas, they say kamar kecil, literally means small room. One more thing, when I order food, I don't like hot food. I say kurang chili. Again, they don't understand what is chili, because in Indonesia they say cabe. Cabe is chili, but in Malaysia some people also say cabai. So next time you go to Indonesia and you don't like your food to be too hot, you say kurang cabe. I have a list of words. First in English, and then Malay language, and then Indonesian language. I read out for you. English is abroad. Bahasa Malaysia is luar negara, but Bahasa Indonesia is luar negeri. And then account, Malaysia, account, A-K-A-U-N. Indonesian, reckoning, or akun, A-K-U-N. Accountant, Bahasa Malaysia, accountant. Bahasa Indonesia, akuntan, A-K-U-N-T-A-N. After, selepas, setelah. In Indonesia they just say setelah. Afternoon, petang. Sore. Agent, agent, agency. Airport, lapangan terbang. Bandar udara, or you can also use airport. Apartment, Pangsa Puri, rumah pangsa, rumah kondo in Malaysia. In Indonesia, you say apartment. apartmen, or rumah susun. I have some more words for you. Association, persatuan. In Indonesia, they say associasi. This word origin from Dutch. Auction. In Malaysia, we say lelang, but in Indonesia, they say lelang, L-E-L-A-N-G. The month of August in Malaysia is August, O-G-O-S, but in Indonesia is Agustus, A-G-U-S-T-U-S. It's from the Dutch word Augustus. Some words for you. Automatic, Malaysia, automatic, C change to K. In Indonesia, otomatis, O-T-O-M-A-T-I-S. Bag, Malaysia, bag. Indonesia, tas, T-A-S. This word is from Dutch. Basin, washing basin or sink. Malaysia, basin, B-E-S-E-N. But Indonesia, wastafel, W-A-S-T-A-F-E-L. Some more words for you. Bicycle, Malaysia we say basikal, but in Indonesia they say sepeda, S-E-P-E-D-A. It is a French word. Some more words for you. Billion, Malaysia, billion, less one L, but in Indonesia they say miliar, M-I-M-I-A-R. Bishop or bishop of a church, Malaysia we say biskop, B-I-S-K-O-P, but Indonesia we say uskup, U-S-K-U-P. Bonnet or hood of a car, in Malaysia we say bonnet. Indonesia they will say cup, K-A-P, cup. This word is from the Dutch. Some more words for you. Bus station, station bus. Indonesia, terminal bis, B-I-S. Campaign, Malaysia, campaign. Malaysian nice, or Malaysian nice, K-E-M-P-E-N. But in Indonesia they say kampanye. It's a loan word from the Dutch. Can, boleh, but in Indonesia they say bisa. Saya boleh berenang, they will say saya bisa berenang. Cancer, a disease. Malaysia also cancer, the C change to K, but in Indonesia they say kanker, K-A-N-K-E-R. Car, kereta, but in Indonesia they say mobil. The word is from the Dutch. So today we have all these words from English to Malay language and then to Indonesian language. I shall let you know more in some other time. In fact, Malay is a very easy language. You can learn within a short time. Bahasa Indonesia is all the same. You want to know the difference, you just go to internet and then search, then you can get many information about the difference between Bahasa Malaysia and Bahasa Indonesia. Bye bye everybody.